Hi, today I'm going to give you an overview of the Solax Maleta.
The Solax Maleta is an automatic folding travel scooter that is the slimmest and most compact model in the Solax range. The Maleta is the perfect travel companion. Its slim build and automatic fold feature allows for ease of transport into the back of your car. A light-up LED display includes your speed and battery indicator. There's also a speed control dial, keyed ignition, backup automatic folding buttons, horn, and charge point. Having a flat open base allows for maximum legroom. For the perfect fit, the tiller can be height adjusted to suit your needs. As standard with most scooters, freewheel mode is available. Solid puncture-proof tires ensure you're never stopping to change a flat tire.
As you can see, this scooter is suited to anyone on the go.